This is the new taillight assembly for this RDX. When you get your new part, always inspect it, especially if you've never done one of these jobs before to replace something on a car. And in inspecting it, this one you can see there's a hole here and here. And also, that's the way the screw will attach it to the rear of the car, and up front is this little slot here. That means this has to slide into a part that's already on the car, and then two screws go in here. So we'll walk back there and take the old one off. Okay, here we are. Right here, the screws, the holes I was showing you on the new one is covered up by this plastic cover. So simply take a screwdriver, stick it in here, between here, and pry it gently and down bottom or on the side and pry it gently. I've already done this one. So when you pry it and it pops loose, comes loose pretty easily, take it out of the way. And there are two screws down in here. I took one out already, and the second one is right here. Okay, you can use a Phillips screwdriver right there. You can use a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm wrench. Socket, and that comes right off. Okay, that's loose. And the second one would be down here. All right, took that out already. So once that comes loose, take it out and just wiggle this and slide it out. Of course, you'll be doing this with two hands. Comes right out. Okay, wires are still attached. You can unplug it or just twist these and the bulb comes right out. You can either unplug it right here by pressing this tab right here in, and it pulls right out of the bulb socket, or if you twist the bulb, it pulls right out. Okay, and over here is another connection. Press that tab and pull it out. I'll pull that out because I cannot videotape and show you and how to do it. Just push this tab in right here and it should pull right out. Okay, there you go. Managed to do it with one hand. And right down here, usually the harness is attached to the housing. Okay, and it should be either a clip that you can, or something you can slide right out. Let me take it out and I will show you how I did it. Okay, that simply pushes on to a piece of plastic that protrudes out the back of that. If you see that, that pushes right on to here. All you gotta have to do is pull that off and your light is disconnected. Okay, the new assembly came with both bulbs in it. So what I'm gonna do is take this bulb out, and this connector works the same way. I already disconnected the bulb. You have to press that tab right there in and pull this off. And then I'm not gonna connect this because we are gonna take this back off when we are repairing and painting this panel right here. All right, but I am gonna fit it to make sure everything fits all right. You take this new unit, and right over here, that green piece right here, it's what slides in that groove on the back of the light. Slides right into here. So we're going to do that now. Lay it on here. Again, it's a little difficult with one hand. Slide it right in. Nice fit. Put the 2 screws back in here. One here, and snap the cover in. You snap the cover, it just snaps right in. Bam, and you're done.